Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 22nd April, and this is my first entry here on EUR-AUD, and I held on it for a couple of days. So let's take a look. This is the same entry, went into the 23rd, and then at the end of the day it was all the way up here, more than 200 pip. The reason I held all the way to the upside is my weekly chart, which was this one. I was expecting a bounce from here. I made this chart on the 21st April, and I gave it to my subscribers that this thing is gonna go up and just take your long entries, and my Magic IB system gave a lot of several long entries, which I was lucky. I took the first one. And what happened to this chart so far? Let's see. This is the one. See, it started bouncing from here, and this is the current chart over the weekend. This is how it is, and it will probably, it's sitting just above 58.27. So it's gonna, if we hold here, we're gonna bounce and go to the upside again if we hold here. So that's one thing. Now the second trade was here. You can see is pound Uzi on the 23rd, and by the book, very perfect Magic IB setup here, right? And then you can see this pound USD. I took the short because it's supposed to go down because of the USD index strength. USD get stronger, and Euro USD, pound USD, where the USD on the right hand side, those pair goes down. They go down, and then USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, they go up, right? So on the third, based on the USD and the pound weakness, of course, but USD mainly, I'll show you the chart. And also USD CAD went up. See the USD CAD, pound USD, where USD on the right hand side, it went down, and USD CAD, this went up. The reason is this. Watch. This is the chart I made on the 22nd April, and saying here that this will make Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD go down, and USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen up. Right? So this is supposed to bounce from here. USD will get strong, and pound USD will go down, USD CAD will go up, and that's exactly what happened the next day. USD CAD went up, and pound USD went down, and I took those trades. Euro USD I totally missed, to be honest with you. And this is what happened to the USD index finally when we closed the week. And we bounced from here, we went up all the way there. We are just above this area, 0464 right now. We are sitting at 0478, so we might hold here and continue to the upside towards my target, and USD will continue getting strong and sending those pairs, these pairs up, and these pairs up, and these pairs down. So that's the USD pairs. And what else? I had this Euro Yen. Okay, I made an entry here on the 24th April. Euro Yen, based on yen strength. Yen was getting strong, and all yen pairs supposed to go down. I had several other Euro Yen, but yen pair trades, but I didn't make the chart, so I don't have to show it to you. Pound yen for one, I took a very decent trade there, but I forgot to make the chart. But here Euro Yen, for example, was a beautiful entry here, and first 90 pip, and then I held on it because of the yen index up until 140 pip, all the way down here, right? This is Euro Yen on the 25th. The reason for this, holding all this Euro Yen and yen pairs to the downside, taking the trade to the downside, was one of my chart, which is yen index 20-minute chart. You can see here that I made this chart on the 22nd, saying that this thing will come down here first, and then later on will go up. But first need to come down here, maybe 54.73 or 54.43 all the way, right? What happened to this chart is this. It went down all the way to 54.43, even poking into it, right? So now probably it's gonna bounce from here, go up for wave 5, and if I'm right, and then yen will get weaker again, and all yen pair will turn to the upside. So this is the recap for the of the trades, the reasons, I made this the video after quite a while because I've been busy. I started some one-on-one training on Skype, and that is keeping me very busy now because I'm every other hour I'm on this Skype teaching to someone. So that's going very well. And if you want to get learn all about this market, if you don't know already and you're doing good, that's fine, keep doing it. But if you want to learn, join my group, go on my website myforexmagicwave.com and subscribe and start trading like this. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.